This video is about the propagation step of a radical reaction. Radicals can do several different types of reaction. They can abstract an element from a compound to form a new radical. This is usually the abstraction of a hydrogen. The radical can undergo addition to a double bond to form a new radical. If your radical is able to decompose into a gas and a new radical, it will do so. This is called fragmentation. It is most common with carboxylate radicals. And finally, there's coupling, when two radicals come together to form a covalent bond and there's no more radical left. This is also the termination step. As all radicals can do all of these reactions at any time, radical chemistry is limited in its usefulness. The fact that they are chain reactions that we have no control over also makes it very difficult to justify why you would want to do a radical reaction. However, some of the methods we are going to look over in the next videos are extremely useful as they do things that we are unable to do without radical chemistry.